Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you are looking for a full face mask respirator, this video is for you. So this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you check out our full face mask respirator? Tell us what you think. Tell us how it fits and feels, and does it do what it says we say it does. So you get a carrying satchel to put everything in. You get two of these. These are organic vapor acid gas P100 particle filters, two in a vacuum sealed container. We're going to open these up here in a sec. You also have these 2097. So these are 2097 P100s. Show how these go on a sec. Get two of these, and then you have the full face mask. This has a rubber on the back, quick pulls to tighten around the back of the head, and then quick releases, so it makes it putting on and off very easy. It has a protective film on the cover, so this is all nice and neat. Let's open up these. Here, these open up. This is definitely vacuum sealed. All right, the first thing we're gonna put on are the 2097 P100s. They have a plastic clip right here that matches up with the side here. They just twist on. You line them up, put it in, and give it a twist. To put it on, you just put it over your head. Pull this tight, pull this tight, and when you breathe in, it comes in through here, and you exhale, comes out through there. The fit is very nice around the face, a nice clean, a nice seal all the way around. To remove these, twist them off. These install the same way. Give it a turn. Line it up, and now you have these extra filters. Very, very cool, very effective. The comfort is good, and you're not getting any fogging. No fogging is occurring inside the actual mask, and it's comfortable to breathe. Very, very cool. To remove, take this, flip these down to loosen it up. Here, loosen it up, and then pull it off. The fit on this thing is actually surprisingly comfortable for being a full face mask. Sometimes there's pressure points around the face or usually around the temples here. Didn't get that sensation whatsoever. The rear here has got a very nice cushiony seal that goes all the way around. It's got a good bit of cushion, enough to give you this sort of that tight fit, a tight seal, but also still comfortable at the exact same time. I'm surprisingly comfortable for a full face mask, and you can breathe comfortably inside it and not having this fog up. Sometimes these things will fog up almost instantly. That is a benefit all of itself. So if you're looking for a full face mask that already comes with two different types of filter options depending on the use case, hopefully this answers any and all questions you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.